So we haven't been back here for a while, and it looks like someone's tried to gain access into the property. Don't think anything's been stolen though, has it? Much been stolen? Doesn't look like anything's been touched. Was that table outside? So we're trying to keep the ivy down, but as you can see already, if you look at some of our previous videos, us cutting the ivy down, it's growing back really quickly. It just keeps coming. Have you guys noticed that? You were here, Charlie, weren't you? How long ago was it? It wasn't that long ago, surely. The new year is going to see us coming down here for a couple of weeks. We'll enjoy this place. It's a great place to work. I look forward to coming down here, bringing the JCB down, and we'll just get a lot of stuff taken down, start getting prepped. Because that whole roof has to come off, Joe. This whole roof has to come off, yeah? All has to come down and get a brand new roof on it. What do you say? Yeah, it's just not standard regulation. I'd rather just take it down and put a new roof on. Well, that roof is 200 years old. Let's go into the other house. Where'd I put the drill? We had a rat infestation here, didn't we? Now these are very expensive, so this is called a Bangor Blue, people. That's a Bangor Blue slate. We've got to keep them absolutely as perfect as we can. Joe, you'll learn about that. That's real Welsh slate. Over there on the cottage, that is known as Grey Irish, Kilkenny Irish. There's Bangor Blues, which is that one, which is really expensive. Guess how much that slate is? Can anyone tell me, viewers, how much is that? How much is it? You want to guess, Joe? £7. How'd you know? How did you know it was £7? Did he tell you? We can't play games, Charlie, if you're going to sneak it through. You know what you are, Charlie? You're a cheat. We were playing a game on the way down here, and it was guess the game. Yeah, what was he doing? Looking on his phone. He's cheating.
I was cheating for my own benefit.
No, you were cheating.
Yeah, but I wasn't spoiling it.
It is better to fail with honour than to succeed with fraud. And it's £8 actually. I'm only joking, it's £7. Oh dear, I forgot about this place. Yeah, we had to take the floor up. What do we have down here? Rats. We have to pull these floorboards up. All these floorboards have to come up. Getting this up, we get it back down to its natural floor, put insulation in, and concrete it down. And that'll be our sort of effect. All these big stones have to go, Joe. Got a lot of work to do in this property. Sometimes I lack the desire to do it. I suppose I could put the offer out to people on YouTube. There's this beautiful cottage on the far side of my property here. It requires, I'd say, no more than about £10,000 to be spent on. If anyone is watching and they want to live in a property, shall we say, a fixed 5 years, you can do up that property for me. You can do that property up for me, and you can live on the property rent-free for the next 5 years while I'm building the big house. So there you go. If you want, we'll go and see it, shall we? Are we still rats? I actually don't think we've any rats left. There's a pot noodle down there. It's eaten. An eaten pot noodle. Everything's gone. Just the friggin' rim of it. They've ate the plastic and everything. Bloody rats. Hate them. I think we're good. I'm not keen to really do any work today, guys. Watch what's in that fridge. It could be a new life form evolved. Oh, it's pretty clean. There's only a couple of wee mouse droppings. Oh, we could eat. Oh, look, there's some mayonnaise. Do you want some mayonnaise? Okay. Right, we'll close it up. We'll just check on the boat here, because I want to put the boat up for sale. Question, guys. Why would you need the little... Seriously, why? Yeah, the boat's still there. The Sloopy-Doo boat. There's the cat!
Are you scared?
Did you see it? Did you get it on camera? Here, pussy! What do you think of that for a big... There's something, I don't know, fallacious about it. Word fallacious? Would you say there's something fallacious? Fellatio is love. Is that right? Well, what does it look like, guys? What does it look like when it's erect? Have you ever heard the word fallacy? The word fallacy comes from a phallus. What's a phallus? A phallus is a willy. Okay? And doesn't look very fallatial. Do you get what I'm saying? Like a giant erect willy. Right, okay. So I need to help him with this. It doesn't mean love.
Does it?
That's what it means, fallacial. It's a legal definition for giving someone a blow up, mate. Yeah, you're really far off. You are totally far off. That's funny, though. Is it not for love, Alan? Say that to when the cops are giving it. Yes, Your Honour, I met Mr. and Mrs. Jones in the car, and they were doing things of fallatiality or something like that. Yeah, that means love, doesn't it? Oh, that's okay. Let him off. Because they're in love. Joe, there's an underground tunnel under here. I jest you not, I fell in. Do you remember that video? Guys, pull that video back up. I want a new video of me falling into the water. Because I'd say a lot of people would like that right now, to watch me fall. I fell into the cave, straight down. And I hurt my leg. I busted the crap out of my leg. I mean, the stone went straight into my leg. I don't like you taking the mick out of me, kid. So, YouTubers, if any of you guys are watching, no matter where you're from, if you fancy it, this cottage doesn't need much work, just a couple of windows. I say about 10 grand's worth of work. I will let you be a caretaker of my property here for free for 5 years. If you want to come and you're a DIYer, don't come if you don't know how to build stuff, because if you don't, you're no good here. And you can come in to move into this 1-bedroom property, and I'll put water in for you, I'll put electrics in for you, but you do the rest. Put new windows in, get a fireplace in, live here for free for 5 years. 5 years only. I'll put a contract up with it. You have to live here, you have to move out after 5 years, because I'd say I'll have the whole house, but you have to understand there'll be construction going on in the background. So I'm offering that for free. 5 years free rent on the basis that you help me do up this house. How's that sound? What do you think, Joe? You want to live here for 5 years? Free rent? Why not? Too secluded or something. Need to get a bit of timber here, guys. Look at that for modern insulation, guys. Quilts and sheets. Absolutely terrible. You see, it wouldn't need actually that much work with this. You don't need to replace the roof on this girl. All it needs is the insulation put inside the building. This building is actually sound. I'd pull out that wall though. I would take that wall out and make it one. No, I'd make one big room. This is the type of house horror movies are made from. I remember that movie where you got this little girl standing in the corner like this. What was it called? Something about the nightmare in the forest. And she was just sitting like this. And she went missing. She was in the forest. She turned around and she was a devil. Or words to that effect. The witchcraft something. Can anyone remember that, viewers? The witchcraft thing? Anyway, I think this would be a great wee place to do up. Do you not think so, Joe? Would you live here? Why not? Oh, still too secluded. Or something. Well, let's go, guys. Come on. I'll try to see if I can batch this up. Come on in, see we close that door. I actually don't know how I'm going to batch that in, actually. So, guys, all we've done today was I was securing this place. I had to go down and see the property. I haven't seen it in a while. Everything seems to be good. We've managed to get a pussycat visitor. Well, someone was here. I assume they were doing because that seems to be walked in a lot. There seems to be no physical damage, just a bit of littering. Someone must have come down here and took a drink. Well, it's a nice place, I suppose, to take a drink. Haunted. There's only one bottle, of course. That's really weird. See these big gigantic stones still? See, I gotta take all this land up. So much to do. Why the hell did I buy this place? I have no idea. How much did it cost me, Joe? Guess. $500,000. I don't think I have bought anything for $500,000, mate. I hate it when people want to come into the property. I mean, it is known as trespassing, isn't it? Guys, so we've just done a research. If you have a look, we've done a research on the property to make sure everything's okay. It's wet and blustery, sorry, not blistery. And all I've done is I've checked the property over to make sure there's been no invasion of someone trying to break in, or they've tried to do something with the property. Everything seems to be okay. There has been people on the property. There's been a couple of people drinking on the property. I would assume that's teenagers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to re-secure it and let them know that we've been back. That's always a good thing. This is the problem when you own properties that are derelict. You're faced with trespassers and nosy people. I don't mind nosy people as long as they keep it right. We need to pull that gate in there a bit. This gate, look. So we need to push that in. So that's what's happened. Someone's pushed that all the way up. That's it, all the way in. And then we push that. So I have no idea who's done this, but they've moved it massively. Pull that back a bit. This way to me. Yeah. Ha ha ha!